after the other install we did it.
All right, Chuck, Bob Dunn has just shared with me all the lines are down for the football, but also for soccer. And the nice piece here is that we can play soccer with the lines that we have going side to side. We can have 2 games going on for gym class and for practices after school. And nice to see that the numbers are in for football for a Canadian football field, which is 110 yards.
Right. So the last real issue is that they're just putting up the field goals right now, and all the rubber inlay is in place, so we're pretty much ready to go.
So you're gonna do the other 4 schools. When does that start? In the spring? So down the hallway.
Looking much different. Still unfinished. Cafeteria area.